What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we are going to be featuring this 2023 F150 build that we finished up in 2025 last year. Now for me, this F150 build is by far my favorite build that we wrapped up last year. The reason why I love this thing so much is because it reminds me of a Hot Wheels car back in the day when I was a kid. It's a single cab F150 hopped up on 37-inch tires, man, and it can fly. Now, let me stop talking about how much I love this thing and give you guys the rundown on this build so you can love it just as much as I do. So to start, we are gonna go with bumpers. Obviously, we have our KHC frame cut front bumper and our KHC rear dovetail bumper. Now, a quick note for our KHC frame cut front bumper. In this setup, we have a pair of Baja Designs S1s along with two sets of Squadrons, a set of clear and a set of amber. Staying in the front, we have KHC's Conversion Buckets along with our KHC front bump stop kit with Fox bump stops. Now for the nitty gritty, we have our KHC mid-travel kit, which comes with our KHC upper control arm, our KHC lower control arm, our KHC tie rod, and our KHC knuckle. Now this mid-travel kit on this F150 gets 15 inches of travel. Also in the front, we have some RCV axles as well as our limiting straps for the mid-travel kit. Now in the front, we have some Fox Race 3.0 IPB coilover with the reservoirs. Still in the front, hooked up to our KHC secondary mount, is the Fox 3.5 series 3-tube external bypass secondary shock. Now, another KHC part that I highly recommend to a lot of our customers is our slot delete kit. So we have our F150 slot delete stage 2 on this bad boy, and it gives you all the protection up front. Now, another upgrade that we did to this F150 was we did a Powerstop Brake Kit all around, pads, rotors, and calipers, along with some SDHQ steel braided brake lines. Now, let's talk about the wheel and tire setup here. So we have Innovate Racing beadlock wheels in a 17x9, and they are wrapped in some Mickey Thompson Baja bosses in 37x12.5 R17s. Now, before we move to the rear, I do want to quickly mention this was not done at KHC, but this F150 with the 5.0 has a Whipple supercharger on it. So you know it has all the power. All right, guys, I'm gonna start off with one of my favorite pieces here. Now, it is KHC's bed cage with its dual tire carrier. Now, what made this even cooler is we integrated the KHC rear bump stop kit. Now, by integrating the rear bump stop kit and the bed cage, it made the rear end of this truck that much more sound and secure. Now, in the rear bump stop kit, we do have Fox bump stops. Now, another thing to mention before moving on from the bed cage is obviously there are two spare Innovate wheels, but holding those down are some Alpine straps. In my opinion, Alpine is one of the most trusted straps for spare tires, so definitely check them out. Now in the rear, we have Fox's Race 3.5x16 external bypass piggyback shock, and that is the one with the 5 1-inch tubes. Now there's a couple more things before we finish up this video. We have L84 Deavers, we have KHC's rear drop shackle kit, along with the biggest one probably of all is the RPG rear axle. Now, as you guys can see, all the parts that I have just listed, nearly all of them at least, are all powder coated in the same blue. From the beadlock ring on the Innovate wheels, to our mid-travel kit, to our buckets, to the RPG rear axle, to the bed cage. So as you can see, the customer was very detailed with what he wanted and how the truck to look, and I absolutely love it. Now, another thing to mention is the interior. Just a quick mention, we have a beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel as well as a Switch Pro connected to control all the lights on this truck. But everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video of getting a full breakdown of one of our favorite builds of 2025. I know for me, I said this one takes the winner. I absolutely love this build. But guys, as always, if you don't mind leaving a like on the video, commenting down what you thought about this build or how you would build your F150 into a jumping monster. And last but not least, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.